Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for tuning in again. The mailman finally arrived. Been waiting forever, it seems like, for these parts. So today we're going to be working on my car, adding a couple more things to it. But first things first, I'll flip you guys around, show you what we're going to do. We got to fix something because one of the parts we installed earlier stopped working. So I'll flip you around and show you what's up for today's video. Don't mind the dirty car. But if you're following the channel for a while, you know we would have installed these already. If you're new to the channel, you can always go back, check out some of the other videos. If you like what you see, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. But for today's video, what we're going to be doing or working on is the little LED side markers. They're diode dynamics. I put them on about 6 months ago, and I noticed that this side, if you see, I'll hit the key here, you unlock. Nothing happens. I'll show you on the passenger side. It should look like that. When it's off, see, hit lock, it's just blacked out. Nothing. Hit unlock, you got your LED side marker there. But I noticed that this side stopped working. So basically I emailed Diode Dynamics. I said, hey, I installed these. I believe it was about 6 months ago, roughly. And the driver's side stopped working. So basically they'll send you an email back. They'll need your invoice number. So hopefully if you buy these, keep your receipt, or if you buy it, I know I got mine from CJ Pony Parts. They have a little, in your account, all the information of the stuff that you've ordered in the past. So lucky for me, I had that. Email it to them, no questions asked. They shipped one out right away. We're sorry that this happened. We'll send you a new set. And just like they said, a couple days. It was really quick compared to the other stuff I ordered. You can see they send you a brand new set. And they tell you either keep the old ones or throw them away, do what you want to do. But you get a brand new set of these. So we'll pull the old one out and we'll put the new one back in and see if it makes a difference, or maybe there's something else haywire under there. So like I said, they send you a brand new pack. You can see brand new, nothing's ever been used. You open it up, there you go, nice packaging, it's all in there. Nice thing about these, you'll see when I take it off, or if you watch the other video, they are all plug and play. Basically you just unplug the old one, you want to plug right into there, and you are set to go. No messing around, just unclip it, pop these ones back in, and you're good. They make some really good stuff. If you follow the channel, you know that I put the interior lights as well. I know the lights are on in here, but you can see the LEDs really light up well in there. We did the glove box as well, and the map lights. You can go back and check out that video as well. Like I said earlier, make sure you subscribe. Got lots added to the car already. You can go check out everything we got. And like I said, there is more in the garage we're going to be putting on today, but you'll have to wait for that video, unfortunately. But yeah, for now, basically, you go under the car. All you got to do, I'll show you on this one. This is sitting in there like that. This is actually the driver's side. You can see it's got a little clip there. It's a little bit stiff, but you can see it does move. Doesn't take much under there. Basically, that one sits in there. So reach under. The exhaust could be hot. Don't burn yourself. Reach under, just push on this and out, and basically that side will pop off. And you can see this side is just a little kind of clip, slides over. There's just a little tiny piece of metal in there. And that sits on there, and it just stops it from popping out on that side. So get that out of the way, and then we'll see you shortly. Okay, so I'll give you guys a weird little selfie view here. You can see my arm is under there. If you look, you can see it. You just find that tab, give it a little push. If I can get my hand in there. It is a tight squeeze, but you can get it out. Push it like that. You can see that side pops off, and then you back around. Come back up here, and you just keep it close to the car so you don't break that little tab, but you just give her a little wiggle. I know on mine the wires are pretty short. You can see it doesn't really come out too far. So we can unplug that now, and then the new one can go right in. And I'm gonna do both sides. The other side works, but at least I know that I put them in at the same time, and then if something else was to happen, I can hopefully get a replacement piece again. Otherwise, I'll just put the stock ones back in and they'll be red. So if you look, old one, new one, they upgraded it a little bit. You can see the color's even actually a little different. I don't know, maybe this is just dirty. But the old one came with this. This is basically, it's got the same end as your, like a stock light bulb had that was in there before. And that plugs into this guy. You can see in the space there, that's where the bulb would plug in. This comes on the car, obviously, because it used to have the light bulb in there. And then if you come down here, plugs into the little gray piece here with the wires. You just push down on that tab. This little piece is a tab and it pulls out of there. It's like a little plug. But on the new one, they actually send it. You can see it's all tucked in there way nicer. These wires are really long and you kind of had to squish them to get them back in there. So the new one, I noticed this just goes in and you turn. It's just like a lot of clips out there and it locks it. So maybe they were having issues with this, the stock one, or with the wire, how it's so long like that. But just a side note, if you're buying these now, you can even scan it if you want. They're much more simpler. You just unplug it. This one will clip right back in. There's no messing around or nothing. And just like that, they're in. You can see, hit the light, she is working. Come over to this side. Like I said, I changed them both. I think these are even a little brighter. I don't know if maybe the other ones were burning out already or just getting dull or what. But like I said, super easy. It's literally one clip and then unplug the wires, plug the new one back in. So as long as you can get your hand under there and find the little push tab, it might feel like it's not going to go, but just give it a good push and it'll pop off. So she's all done. And there you have it, guys. Super easy install. It's all fixed. Don't have to worry about it. Like I said, Diode Dynamics, big thumbs up. They back their products clearly. Was burnt out, like I said, sent them an email. All they wanted was the invoice. Make sure you actually purchase the part that you're saying isn't working. As soon as they got that, they sent me the email back saying, yep, it'll ship on Monday, because I was emailing them on a Friday. And I had it here by Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. It was super fast, especially with all the hectic stuff going on in the world. It's a pain in the you know what to ship up here to Canada. So I'm waiting for weeks for other parts that are finally here as well. So we'll get everything installed today. So like I said, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you want to catch up and stay tuned for the next ones, make sure you subscribe, because we're going to get the car up in the air now and start putting on something else. Stay tuned for that.